You see how the sun is coming through this hole and it's reflecting onto there? See that circle?
Okay.
So you want that reflection over that bottom hole, see it?
Okay.
Right there would be perfect. See how it's right in the center?
Yep.
So that, and then you could like cheat the sun so you don't have to rotate it as often by putting it
a little offside.
Yes.
Okay.
You're going to get that by adjusting this kickstand here. So right about there, see that?
Nice.
And then
professional over here.
So here's the little rack that you hang in here.
Super cool.
And that creates your level shelf. So you put it here. Does that make sense?
Yep.
And
awesome.
Don't leave this just open because this will smack down when it's glass.
Okay.
And then you just lock it. You just lock it into place right here. This is closing the oven.
Awesome.
And that's it.
Is it too windy?
Kind of windy, yeah, which kind of sucks. But you could put a few in there, and then you could also turn the grill on and do a few in there if you wanted, because that's a big enough cookie sheet.
Okay.
You could do a full-size cookie sheet and.
Okay. Man, it's already like heating up.
100 degrees.
It's not 100 degrees where I got this thing from.
In here.
Where the other room where it was dark in there, there's no way it's 100 degrees in there.
Yeah, no, it's 100 degrees in there.
That's awesome.
But
I have whipped up some peanut butter cookies to put into the sun oven for the very first time. Whoa! It says that it is about 300 degrees. Let me go check. It is extremely windy out here today. But I am trying to bake in this sun oven. So we still need it to be about the right temp. It's almost 300 right now. It is toasty in there. The cookies are in. I'm just gonna have to come back and look at them. Okay, so this is the sky I'm dealing with right now. It's gonna take a minute for these ones to cook. It's hot in there, it's just not hot enough. I may have to finish them in the barbecue grill of these clouds. It looks like we've got a pretty clear spot right here that we'll be able to cook with, so hopefully these ones pass fast. The oven is at 275. I need it hotter. Definitely need it hotter. It is 275. Let's see. The sun is like coming up and going down. That little dot needs to be in the middle for optimal heat. If it would stay consistent like that, I think we could be able to bake them off. They are baking slowly, but I need them to bake faster than that. I want a cookie. So I have backup going. I have the oven going, and I need to make sure that that stays to temp. So I'm going to turn that up a little bit. And let's make sure that that's going up. Okay, I see it moving. If we're going to have cookies today, one of these things has to work right. She's moving. We'll just keep an eye and let them bake. I'm going to turn the temp back up and finish off these cookies. Barbecue grill cookies are done. Looking delicious. These are the final result. So if you were looking at a cookie that came out of the sun oven, that's the bottom. And that is what the bottom of the one that came out of the barbecue grill looks like. Your cookies are down in this jacket. I gotta get proof that you got something.
All of it on it.
Yeah, well, it's right here. Proof!
These aren't cookies. These are some
Salt ball.
witch contraption of them trying to get my vitamins.